The right way may take time, but it always takes us further. The right way may take time, but it always takes us further. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Sreyashi. Do you think learning English grammar is difficult or boring? If yes, this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to share some effective ways of learning English grammar. But before we begin, I want to tell you one thing, that I am not going to share any shortcuts. I am not going to share any shortcuts because according to me, learning English grammar takes time. But once you learn it, it gives you the level of confidence that nothing else can. It helps you understand English grammar better and express yourself more confidently. So if you really want to know some effective ways of learning English grammar, watch the video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Do you know, learning English grammar is neither difficult nor useless. But the main problem is many people try to learn English grammar only from books. But today, in the age of YouTube, there are so many fantastic teachers who explain the English grammar concepts so easily that even an 8-year-old boy can understand. In fact, sometimes my son and I sit together and watch English grammar lessons on YouTube. We both learn from them. So my first suggestion is this: choose one or two YouTube channels whose teaching style you understand better and stick to them. Yes, and stick to them. This is the main point. And don't keep jumping from one YouTube channel to another. And remember, instead of watching random videos, we need to watch series. Yes, we need to watch series. Nowadays, if you notice, many teachers upload complete spoken English and grammar courses or series on YouTube. So you need to pick one of those and finish it from the beginning to end. So instead of watching random videos, choose a complete series or course. And the best part of is this, that you can learn all of this for free. And my second suggestion is to learn English grammar through your mother tongue. Yes, learn English grammar through your mother tongue. Find a teacher or YouTube channel that teaches English grammar in your native language, because it makes the concept much easier to understand, especially if you are a beginner. And my third suggestion is to always make notes. Yes, always make notes while watching any grammar videos. For example, you are watching a video on simple present tense. So you need to take down the sentence structure in your notebook and the example sentences that the teacher is sharing in the video. Okay? And after taking down the sentence structure and the example sentences comes the most important step of learning English grammar. Yes, now you need to make your own sentences. Yes, you need to create some new sentences using the same grammar concepts. You know, our teacher used to ask us to write 100 sentences on each topic. No, you don't have to start with that many sentences. You just start with 20 sentences. Yes, after learning any grammar concept, force yourself to write at least 20 sentences. It will help you to understand the concept better. And one thing, while writing the sentences, don't worry too much about making perfect sentences. Yes, you don't have to worry too much about making perfect sentences. You just need to focus on the concepts and try to learn as many sentences as you can. Because as you keep practicing, you will gradually notice that which sentences are correct and which ones are not. After writing down all the sentences from the video and creating your own sentences, now you need to read all of them loudly. Yes, now you need to read all the sentences loudly many times. Yes, many times. Because this practice trains our mouth. Yes, this practice trains our mouth and helps us speak English more confidently. Trust me, I have followed all the steps. Yes, I have followed all the steps I shared in today's video. And this is how I improved my English grammar. And I hope these tips will help you too. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who wants to improve their English. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.